Unit 3 test operations with rational numbers. Directions. Please read each question carefully and choose the best answer. If you are reading these directions, write Cav Nation in the top left of this page. Take your time, show all of your work, and I know you'll rock this test. Make sure to put all answers on your answer document. Number 1. Miss Fitzgerald is purchasing 2.5 pounds of meat that costs $2.80 per pound. How much change should Miss Fitzgerald receive if she gives the cashier $20? A. $6.30. B. $13. C. $14.95. Or D. $2.52. Number 2. Dana is making cookies for a party. The recipe calls for 1/2 a cup of sugar. Yasmin wants to make 4/5 of the recipe. How many cups of sugar will Yasmin use to make the cookies? A. 1 3/5 cups. B. 1/3 cup. C. 1 2/5 cups. Or D. 2/5 cups. Number 3. Which statement about 3 multiplied by 2 over 3 must be true? A. The product is between 3 and 4. B. The product is less than 2/3. C. The product is between 2/3 and 3. Or D. The product is greater than 4. Number 4. Daniel has 5.5 pounds of candy to use to make goodie bags for his brother's birthday party. If he puts 1/4 of a pound of candy in each goodie bag, how many goodie bags can he make? A. 5 goodie bags. B. 6 goodie bags. C. 20 goodie bags. Or D. 22 goodie bags. Number 5. Kanisha wants to buy a new purse that costs $59.95, including tax. She has $37.50 in her bank account, and her mother said that she would give her $20 for her birthday. Which of the following can Kanisha use to find the amount of money she still needs to buy the purse? A. Subtract the amount her mother plans to give her from the amount in her bank account. Add the difference to the cost of the purse. B. Subtract the amount her mother plans to give her from the amount in her bank account. Subtract the difference from the cost of the purse. C. Add the amount in her bank account to the amount her mother plans to give her. Subtract the sum from the cost of the purse. D. Add the amount in her bank account to the amount her mother plans to give her. Add the sum to the cost of the purse. Number 6. Mr. Barnum has 5 1/4 pounds of dried fish food. He will put an equal amount of food into 3 containers. How much fish food will be in each container? A. 1 2/3 pound. B. 1 3/4 pound. C. 2 1/4 pound. D. 8 3/4 pound. Number 7. Which expression has the same value as 3 over 4? A. 3 divided by 4 because you divide the numerator by the denominator. B. 4 divided by 3 because you divide the denominator by the numerator. C. 3 divided by 7 because you divide 3 by the sum of the numerator and denominator. Or D. 7 divided by 4 because you add the numerator and denominator and divide by 4. Number 8. Amy has 5 yards of border to put around a garden. She uses all the border to make 4 sections that are the same length. Which expression does not equal the length of one of those sections in yards? F. 4 divided by 5. G. 5 divided by 4. H. 5 over 4. Or J. 5 divided by 4. Number 9. Mr. Edwards bought 4.8 pounds of chocolate-covered pecans for him and his wife. If each pound of chocolate-covered pecans cost $2.40, how much did he pay for the chocolate-covered pecans? A. $115.20 because 4.8 multiplied by $2.40 is $115.20. B. $11.52 because 4.8 multiplied by $2.40 is $11.52. C. 50 cents because $2.40 divided by 4.8 is 50 cents. D. $5 because $2.40 divided by 4.8 is $5. Number 10. Amaya bought 8.2 pounds of gummy bears. If each pound of gummy bears costs $3.50, how much will she pay for the gummy bears? A. $11.70. B. $287. C. $11.52. Or D. $28.70. Number 11. A seamstress wants to cut a piece of fabric that is 6 yards long into pieces that are 1/3 yards long. The seamstress will use the expression shown to calculate the number of pieces that will be cut from the fabric. 6 divided by 1/3. Which expression can be used to calculate the number of pieces that can be cut from the fabric? A. 6 divided by 3. B. 6 times 3. C. 1/6 divided by 3/1. D. 1/6 times 3/1. Number 12. A pharmacist puts 4.536 ounces of vitamin pills into bottles. She put 0.042 ounces of vitamin pills into each bottle. How many bottles did the pharmacist use for these vitamin pills? F. 11, G. 5, H. 18, or J. 108. Number 13. Gabe bought a video game console for $150. He later sold the video game console for 1 3/4 times the original price he originally paid. How much did he sell the console for? A. $112.50. B. $262.50. C. $37.50. Or D. $187.50. Number 14. Which of the following is equivalent to 2/3 divided by 5/6? A. 2/3 times 5/6 because you change the division to multiplication and multiply like normal. B. 5/6 times 2/3 because you reverse the order of the fractions and multiply. C. 2/3 times 6/5 because you keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the last fraction, then multiply like normal. Or D. 6/5 divided by 2/3 because you flip the first fraction and divide like normal. Number 15. Which expression is equivalent to 8/9 divided by 3/4? A. 8/4 times 9/3. B. 8/9 times 4/3. C. 9/8 times 3/4. Or D. 9/8 times 4/3. Number 16. A team of workers took 167.3 hours to complete a task. A smaller team of workers will complete the same task, but it will take them 1.25 times as long as it took the first team. Based on this information, which statement is true? F. The task will take the smaller team of workers 168.55 hours to complete, because 167.3 plus 1.25 equals 168.55. Or G. The task will take the smaller team of workers 179.8 hours to complete, because 167.3 plus 1.25 equals 179.8. H. The task will take the smaller team of workers 198.825 hours to complete, because 167.3 times 1.25 equals 198.825. Or J. The task will take the smaller team of workers 209.125 hours to complete, because 167.3 times 1.25 equals 209.125. Number 17. A grocery store sells steak for $6.10 per pound. What would be the cost of 2 3/5 pounds of steak? A. 14.03, B. 8.70, C. 15.86, or D. 12.06. Number 18. Janice, Tom, and Bobby decided to eat lunch at the concession stand in the Austin Sports Center during the halftime of a football game. Janice purchased a breakfast taco and granola bar. Tom purchased 2 bottles of water and a muffin. And Bobby bought fresh fruit and a large drink and 3 t-shirts that cost $27.93. If they have $120 altogether, how much will they have left after purchasing the food and 3 t-shirts? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 19. Maurice, Braden, and Isaiah agreed to evenly split the cost of food and decorations for the party. They spent a total of $162.93 on food and $63.12 on the decorations. How much change should Isaiah receive if he pays for his part with $100? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on the grid below. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 20. In 2011, Josh paid $12.95 for a box of cards and 44 cents each for 18 stamps. What was the total cost in dollars and cents of the box of cards and the stamps? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value.